nowhere left on Earth to view the stars without light pollution. This happens from space junk and satellites. Researchers have found artificial satellites and space junk flying around the Earth will increase the brightness of the night sky. Experts warn that this light pollution may hinder astronomers' ability to observe our universe. There are more than 9,200 tons of space objects in Earth orbit, from defunct satellites to tiny debris. Space junk not only poses a risk of collision, but also causes light pollution along with other space objects. These streaks are usually comparable to or brighter than the object of astrophysical interest. Their existence often damages astronomical data, as well as poses the threat of irreversible information loss. The brightness of the natural level has its own difficulties. The number of objects orbiting the Earth may cause the overall brightness of the night sky. It will be 10% higher than the natural light level across a large part of the planet. This situation would exceed the threshold set by astronomers for lightly polluted locations considered 40 years ago. Astronomers are already on the verge of a huge constellation of satellites. Since 2019, SpaceX has launched more than 1,000 Starlink communications satellites for global internet services. Tens of thousands of people are licensed from SpaceX. Researchers emphasize the need for further research because this situation may get worse, as more satellites including mega constellations are going to be launched. Astronomers focus their concerns on how bright the trajectories of the various satellites overhead can interfere with the naked eye, as it can drown the more sensitive astronomical observations. As a result, SpaceX engineers have managed to dim its subsequent satellites to about a quarter of the brightness of its original prototype. The human eye can detect small contrast differences. However, this may be important for astronomers, as they have been looking for dim, scattered objects in the sky such as dim galaxies. Astronomers are studying to find clues about the physics of galaxy formation, as well as the nature of dark matter. Simple tasks such as building satellites with dark materials may be helpful, at least to counterbalance the damage